Hi, this is Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems. Just want to show you another one of our Vise lineups for your Wire EDM table. This particular one, it's a two-plate design. So there's one plate here bolted to the major Vise body. So what's nice about this is the plate that mounts to your rail system, you don't need any other tracks or devices. This just mounts right to your Wire EDM table. There's also set screws here for leveling. These two set screws level it side to side. This one levels your part front to back. That way you can, once your part is in there, you can move the vise around. That way you can dial in your part. As far as side to side, you would indicate along this face or along the background face, and that would align your vise to your table. What's nice about this is some of the vices, like this one, this is about 25 millimeters tall. They're good for your smaller parts that you would put in here, but this one here is about 3 inches tall. So let's say you had a little bit of a bulkier block, you could actually use this, would be a little bit better than this. It would give you a lot more support. So with the 3-inch tall, you can have a pretty chunky block that's in this that would hold a little bit better than some of the smaller pieces. So for your bigger parts, this is great. Also, there's a tapped hole here and a tapped hole on the bottom. So what you can do is when you have your part set up, there's little plates that come with a Wire EDM. You can actually bolt this plate right to the bottom, and that way the vise would be on your zero line. When you put your part in, now it nests it here, and with the set screw in the top, you can use a clamp. You can actually clamp your part vertically, and then when the jaws come in, then it would clamp your part horizontal. So now you would have your part with the right distance to your zero line and your Z, and then you would also have the jaws come in, hold your part nice and securely, and it's very repeatable. Any other questions, ask us below. We try to answer everyone's questions. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks.